Hi guys, today in this video let's see how to set up an automation for iPhones with iOS versions of 14 and above. So here we can see the Shortcuts app which is available only for iOS 14 and above versions. Here let's see how to set up an automation when our iPhone charging reaches 95%. As iPhones have very shorter battery life, many of the times we keep on charging our iPhone day and night, and many of them would leave their iPhones overnight, so which leads to battery damage. So to overcome this problem I have found the automation. So you can see the Shortcuts app, so let's dive into it. So initially you will be having the My Shortcuts option. So you should click on the automation, which is shown here in blue color highlighted. So here you can see when battery level is 90%, it will start a timer. So let's set up a new automation. So you can click the plus icon which is on top right. Then you will get an option called create personal automation. Then we'll click that. Then get to the down, so get to the down option, then you can see the battery level option, click on that. Here we can see there is a meter, so we can set up our battery level percentage. So I am setting the battery level percentage to 95%. So when the battery level while charging it reaches 95%, so it will automatically create a sound or a music or anything that we can add here. So here you can see choose the actions this automation will run. You can click on add action. Then if you are having iTunes subscription, or if you have already bought any of the songs from your iTunes, then you can click on search, then you can click on play music. If you have already purchased any albums or songs in your iTunes, so directly you can select by clicking on music, and in the library you can see the songs which you have purchased and you can select based on that. As of now I don't have any songs purchased from iTunes, so I am using another method. So you can see that, click on the add action. So we can even write a script or something else like that, so it's very useful for many automations. So now I am setting a timer. So here you can see an option called timer, start timer. So I am clicking on it. So here you can see initially they have given for 30 minutes, something like that. I am setting it like 1 second. So basically this tells us like when the charging percentage reaches 95%, then the timer gets started for 1 second. So initially when my timer, like when my charging is reaching 95%, then for 1 second a timer starts and it gets ring. So let's see a demo by clicking on the play button at the bottom of this. You can see here. So when the charging reaches the 95% peak position, then it rings like this. Here the timer made the sound successfully, which it won't be recorded in this screen recording. Like this we can set up our automation. This is the best alternative to switch. So because many of them are using untrusted shortcuts which might damage our iOS system. So this is a better way and easiest way to set up an automation which will save our battery life. And to save your battery life at most, so you can also enable optimizing option which is available in the battery health. So this is the end of the video. So you can click the next option. Then you can see when battery level is 95%, do start a timer. Ask before running. So you should toggle it off. Why? Because when each and every time it reaches 95%, it will ask you whether I should run the timer or not. So we no need that option. So we should toggle it off. Then we will click on done. So that's it. Here we can see the automation is already created. That's it. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe my channel, and if you are happy with my work, like, share and subscribe my channel and smack the notification button to get the latest notifications of my channel videos. Thank you.